Ghana stands a great chance of maximizing opportunities in apple production following the successful cultivation of some fruits in parts of the country. Scientists at the Crop Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research are confident of successful mass production. Ibrahim Abubakar has been speaking to Professor Beloved Mensah Dzomeku, a horticulturist and principal research scientist at CSIR.
After the Wiamwasi approved Bruhaha, some areas including Itimetim, Tabum, here in the Ashanti region, have reported the growth of apple tree. Scientists say the apple can be grown in temperate-like weather conditions in the country, including areas like Abetipi and Ebri. I have some of the scientists here with me who have visited both Wiamwasi and Itimetim to assess the fruit and find out whether it's indeed apple or not. Let's speak to the principal research scientist and find out from him what their findings are and what prospects the country can gain from the production of apple with our weather pattern. Is it likely we can grow apple in the country?
This is very possible in Ghana. There are certain parts of the country, for example, Ebri, Kwao Mount is a Betifi area, and Amejofe in the Volta region. They have a temperate-like climatic conditions during the dry season. As such, apples can grow there. Other tropical areas can also grow apples, because in Israel and India, tropical apples have been developed, which we can use in Ghana.
As it stands now, have we grown any of the apple tree in the country?
The only one we've identified currently is the one at Etimetim, Tabum, which we identified on Tuesday. And the owner said he was carrying out an experiment, and he brought the plants from Belgium. And having studied the plant, it's likely we can grow.
What is the difference between the one at Tabum and the one at Wiamwasi? Because I know you went to both communities to assess the fruit.
When we went to Wiamwasi, we have an app which we can use to identify the tree. We observed that the plant at Wiamwasi is a fig tree, not apple. And though that fig is edible, we need to look at it whether the one there can be edible in Ghana. Because the insect that pollinates lays egg in it. And that egg will hatch while the fruit is developing. Hence, will destroy the fruit at maturity. But the one we saw at Tabum is real apple. Fig tree has a lot of seeds in the fruit, whilst apple has a single seed in the middle of the fruit. So there is a vast difference between the two. We have just initiated what we brought from Tabum. We have planted the twigs that we brought. We are monitoring them, and we are hoping that as they come up, we will do cuttings and also use tissue culture to propagate, to multiply them using the bud.
That was Professor Beloved Mensah Dzomeku, a principal research scientist here at Crop Research. He has confirmed that the one they found at Etimetim Tabum is a real apple, and that it is time government invests in the production of apple in the country. Ibrahim Abubakar, TV3, Kumasi.
Thanks, Ibrahim, for that. And